Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Omoyega Oluwatosin, and on the channel today I'll be teaching you how to create a rose from scratch. Roses symbolize some of our strongest feelings such as love, passion, admiration, and so on. You can find rose on a kid's dress. You can use it as a decorative applique. You can also use it to make a 3D dress like the one you are seeing on the screen. And if this is a tutorial you are interested in, please keep on watching. I'll be using this Duchess fabric to create our rose from scratch. This is one of the scrap that I have from some of my leftover work. So you can work with organza, you can work with cotton fabric, you can work with Ankara, you can work with any fabric of your choice. You can also work with tulle as well, nail V-net. You can work with any fabric of your choice. So what I have here is the Duchess fabric, and what you see me holding now is a welding stitch that I cut into a cycle template. This is what we'll be stitching our rose on. So the first thing I did, I'm going to fold my fabric in half like this. You're going to cut a straight strap. You're not cutting on bias. So I'm marking 2.5 inches. You can do more if you want. I just want to work with 2.5 inches on fold because this is a tutorial. After marking, make sure you connect your mark points with a ruler to get a straight line. So that's what you see me doing. I connected the lines and I cut my strap out. Towards the end, I curve it. Please make sure you curve yours as well on both sides. I've changed the footer, and the footer you see me using here is a gather footer. So the next thing you want to do, you want to gather your strap. After you are done gathering the bottom end of your strap, cut out the thread. You don't need it, and this is what you should have at the end of the day. The next thing you want to do, you want to roll one end of the rose like so, and you want to pin it down. You can either pin it down or tack it down. You pin the same thing for the other side as well. The next thing you want to do, you want to draw a spiral design on your cycle template. So that's what I'm doing. I'm trying to draw our spiral design. And this is what you should have. Next, you are going to gather the rose and stitch it following the spiral design on the template. You can see what I did. I'm rolling the curved edge inside like so, like the way I did for the other side. So I'm just taking it to my machine and I'm going to stitch it down. Then the next thing you want to do, you want to keep gathering and stitching the gather strap around the spiral design that you draw on the wording. That's what you want to do next. And after I was done stitching the rose on the wording, I noticed that it was a bit bigger than what I actually have, so I trim it off, and this is what we have at the end of the day. This is how to make a rose. You just apply glue on this and glue it to whatsoever stuff or project you're working on. But when you are working on a customer's outfit or dress, I don't advise you to use glue. Please make sure you and tag, please always and tag. So that's that. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please give it a thumb up, like and share.